Do you want to know how to protect your 16-pin blower motor from power surges? I'm Michael Starrat. I'm with United HVAC Motors. In this video, I'll show you how. Let's go ahead and install this surge protector on the 16-pin motor. We have a surge protector right here that's ready to install. The first thing we do is turn off the power at the main breaker. Now that we have the power turned off, let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to remove the 16-pin the power cable from the 16-pin motor. I'll go ahead and install the surge protector on it. You'll notice that this ground wire is attached to the screw on the back of the motor for grounding. Now we'll take this and we'll reinstall it in the motor. This can be slightly bent to go ahead and fit back where it belongs. Now that I have it reinstalled, let's go ahead and turn on the power at our main breaker panel. Now that it's turned back on, we're ready to go. In this video, I showed you how to protect your 16-pin blower motor. If this video helped you, go ahead and like the video and subscribe.